Learn about what is dictionary. This is a third data structure in Python. We learned two data structures. One is known as list, second is known as tuple. As part of this dictionary, we need to understand what is the dictionary syntax. Second, how to create a simple dictionary. Third, how to read dictionary values using keys and values. And what do you mean by nested dictionary? How to use dictionary to create the data frame and other dictionary use cases. And finally, some homework also I am giving. So installing the Mongo database. First, let us go and try to see what is dictionary. That is first point. Now, if you see here, dictionary is nothing but key and value pair. Each key is separated from its value by colon. If you observe this example and try to see it, here this is nothing but called as key and value pair. Each key and value separated with what? Colon. Here you are able to observe the colon. Each key and value pair is separated with comma. This is what that comma, whatever we are seeing it. And dictionary is enclosed in the curly braces. This is what the curly braces, what you are seeing. An empty dictionary without any items is written just like that. You can create it. An empty dictionary. So empty curly braces will give you empty dictionary. Keys are unique within a dictionary while values may not be. Whatever we have the key 1, key 2, these things should be unique. If you want somewhere, you want to duplicate these values, you can duplicate it. Now, values may be duplicated. Even if you want to change it, you can change it because it is mutable support is there. Need to read the data using the keys. In case of string, in case of list, in case of tuple, we read it items using the index. But here you have to read this one using keys. We have to read it not based on the index. Okay, first we are trying to understand a dictionary syntax. Hope everyone able to understand here. You have to start with the curly braces, then you have to write here key and value pairs, you have to write it. Then if I ask here type of my dictionary, it's showing as dictionary. And my dictionary is equal to means key value, we are seeing it. And there are certain other examples also I given. If I want to record India population, USA population, Australia population, something like this, I can record it. Then I can go and I can ask here, what is this one? It is showing as what? Dictionary. This is a one method. Other syntax is we can use the dictionary class, we can use it. Dictionary is a inbuilt class. Using inbuilt class, we can create it. If you want to use that one, if you see help document of this, if I write here dictionary, then go to the help document. Now you can see if you want to create the new empty dictionary, we can use simply dictionary like this. Okay, if you want, let us say dictionary iterable object, that means inside this one, whatever we want, like similar to this one, we can pass it. Key is equal to value, key is equal to value, like that. That's what known as mapping. What mapping we are doing? Key and value, pair mapping we are doing. And you can also pass here iterables. Iterables means you can see this one. List is a iterable. Inside the list, we have here tuples are available. Inside the list, we have what is this? Tuples are. This is a one tuple. 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 So we have the list. Inside the list, we are taking n number of tuples. We are taking. This is a one more way of creating the dictionary. Now, empty dictionary means simply like this you can create it, or simply like this also you can create it. These are the number of ways are available in creating the dictionary. Personally, I love how to create the dictionary is the first method. Personally, what I love. Let us make some hands-on this one so that we'll get more clarity. Okay, now I am trying to create a dictionary using curly braces. A underscore dictionary, or simply let us give that A is equal to, and I'm giving as curly braces. and I want to go for India, then what is the population we are trying to take care? Let's say, okay, 1.30, something like this I taken. Okay, now similarly, we are going for, let us say, USA, and it is 0.32, and similarly, we are going for here China, and it is available around, let us say, 1.70. Okay, it may not be accurate values, it is around values. What is the problem we did here? 0.32. Now we're able to observe we created A, and I want to see what we have inside the A. So A is equal to, it is showing as all the values. And what is the data type of this A we are observing? It's a dictionary. With same data, using another syntax, you can create the dictionary. Using another syntax, let us say dictionary, and we have to pass here using the mapping. Mapping means key value mapping. Key is equal to value, we have to write it. Let me take here same things whatever available. I am copying it as it is. Then I am trying to pass here. So key is equal to, this is the key and this is the value we are trying to pass here is equal to value. Then similarly here key is equal to then value we are passing. Then similarly this key is equal to value we are passing. Now still it is B is going to show the same data, and if we go and try to ask here type of B, it still is identifying as what? Dictionary. Key is equal to value mapping we are doing. Here we are using the syntax is, what is the syntax? Curly braces we are using. Here we are using a dictionary class and mapping method we are using. What is that? Mapping method. Now same data I can create same data I can create, let's say dictionary. Then I want to use a iterable syntax. So iterable is nothing but a list is a iterable, string is a iterable. Any object mostly which has more items is called as iterable. Simple definition. Now I want to pass here inside this one whatever values are available. These values I want to pass it. So I am passing here these values. This is a one tuple, and this is a another tuple. This is a another tuple, and this is a another tuple. So we are trying to pass here tuples. We are trying to pass it. Okay, India. Then this is, I think, comma. We have to put it. USA. Then comma. Then China. Then comma. Any brackets extra I kept here? No. So if I go and try to execute it, it's identifying properly and displaying the properly. And if I ask here, what is the type of C? Still it is showing as a dictionary. So these are the methods what we have. Here we are using dictionary class, and internally we are using, what is the syntax type? Iterable syntax we are using. This is nothing but iterable. So total we have three syntax we have it. First one is using curly braces. Second one is using dictionary class and mapping syntax. Third one we are using dictionary class and iterable syntax we are using. Next, if you want to create here empty dictionary, if you want to create it, you can create empty dictionary by passing simply empty curly braces. Let's say D is equal to, we are trying to write like this. Now inside the D, nothing is available, and if you ask here type of D, we'll able to see D is a dictionary. One more way is you can write here E is equal to, for example, dictionary. Then E is equal to nothing is available, and if I ask here type of E, we are able to see it is a dictionary. Very simply, you can create the empty dictionary, you can create it. Now we learned how to create the dictionary using different syntaxes, and how to create the empty dictionary also we learned about it. Have a look on it.